Oh, bro. Oh, holy smokes. Stupid thing's out of focus. Ugh. Let me see if I can get the manual focus on this thing. Oh, that is cool. Guess because it was so hot today, the lightning's finally pouring out. Oh, that is cool, though. Sorry if it's out of focus, though. Yeah, it's raining. Let's hope there's a big thunderstrike for the YouTube clip. For the screen cap that I'm gonna put in the channel. Holy smokes, this is like something out of H.P. Lovecraft. Come on, don't get out of focus, you. That's it, that's good. Oh man, that's epic. Look at all this lightning, man. Wonder if I can. Come on. Come on, let there be a big lightning strike. Come on, when that crosses the lens. Come on. Come on, I dare you. I double dare you. Triple dare you. Come on. Oh well. So much for that. Oh, I love thunderstorms, man. Holy smokes, that was cool.